Good evening. What we got here is a Kenmore 2130. They call it a high efficient washing machine, top load. Right now I got it going. We got the rinse cycle going. Basically what was going on here was a grinding noise. What we found out that to be was the I guess the cam kit. It's at the fucking bottom. But anyways, we went tying down in the middle of that bolt where the belt for the big wheelie is, and solved all our problems. I'll show you some pictures here shortly. But yeah, it's humming. Beforehand, it was jerking, grinding. Sound like somebody was scratching. But other than that, we got her fixed, and you know, these things can run forever.
Pulley cover. Belt was rubbing on plastic cover, creating sound. Belt was coming off pulley. Tightened down the middle nut. Was loose and now all cinched up.